Hello, I'm Leah.
And I'm Emily.
And we're from leahgriffith.com.
And today we're going to be showing you 16 winter garden crafts.
I just wasn't ready to leave my garden this summer, so we decided to bring that theme right into Christmas.
And it's one of my new favorites. We have 4 brand new ornaments to add to your collection. For our first one, I made these little paper robins that fit into the 4-inch grapevine wreaths.
This is perfect for the bird lover in your family and so easy to make with layered cardstock. I love the idea of surprise balls for Christmas, and these little felt ornaments can be stuffed with all kinds of goodies.
Look how much room there is inside. Next up, I made these layered felt houses, and these have a lot of little embroidered details on them, and I think they're just so cute.
I'm definitely hanging those on my tree this year. And really leaning into that garden theme, we have these adorable felt butterflies.
Not only would these look gorgeous on a tree, I think they would also make a great gift topper. Moving over to home decor, we're continuing our butterfly theme with these crepe paper butterflies.
I love seeing them in the frame. You can have these showing all year round, but these will also look beautiful in a flower arrangement.
They just look so real.
I think this is one of my favorites with this collection. I love the different tones of gold, and there's so many cute little garden elements in here. There's some rabbits, some butterflies, and even a little squirrel.
And this uses all of the colors from our new gold frosted paper pack. And it's on our grapevine wreath to give you that maximum garden effect. And last up for home decor, we have this garland made from wood beads and felt.
These are magnolia leaves, and I love that natural mix with the wooden beads and the macrame cord. We're also bringing back one of our favorite crafts, and that's the wooden standing deer with this little Scandinavian touch.
Just make sure you keep these deer out of the garden. We're also featuring the felt pomegranates this month.
These are so beautiful with those painted details, and I love to put them in a bowl on my table. For our felted stuffy this month, we actually have a set of 3.
Look at this very cute family of polar bears. You might not find these sitting in your garden, but we couldn't resist. For our free craft camp project this month, we made these recycled paper roll trees.
This is a free video available for everyone, and we also have a guest crafter who filmed with Emily.
And moving on to flowers, we have these felt ruby magnolias.
I can see using these decorating a holiday table or in a bouquet. For this holiday season, I wanted to bring in a brand new amaryllis plant, and I love how this bright red with the double-sided crepe paper just pops. It's a great way to decorate, and I also think it will make a great gift.
And this is one that looks so incredibly realistic and detailed, but it's deceivingly easy to make. We added a new Christmas greenery to our collection in this cardstock cedar.
I can't believe how realistic this looks. You have to get up close to see that it is made from paper, and I'm going to be using this for some Christmas arrangements this December.
You do need a cutting machine for this one. I wouldn't recommend hand cutting all those little tiny details. Our last 2 crepe paper flowers are 2 variations on a hellebore. For this one, we have a double-sided and frosted paper hellebore, and this is incredibly easy to make.
We also have a video for this hellebore, so you can make along with me. And for our member make, we're going to be making this new double hellebore, and this is a little bit more complicated. I love how they actually work together, and I am considering putting them both into one arrangement.
And both of these are based on real hellebore that you grew in your garden, and you and Megan sat and took the flowers apart and based the patterns on the real flowers.
That is my favorite way to design flowers. So be sure and join us for that live member make.
We hope you enjoyed all 16 of these cozy garden Christmas crafts.
And you can find all of the templates and tutorials at leahgriffith.com.
And all of the tools and materials at feltpaperscissors.com.
So happy crafting!
And we'll see you next month.